Question number 23. Okay. The gravitational field strength at the surface of the earth is G. Another planet has double the, okay, what does it say? Gravitational field strength at the surface of the earth. So let me write GP, G earth is equal to G over here. Another planet has double the radius of the earth, double the radius of the earth. Rx, let us say, this is times 2 times Re, and it says on the same density as earth. Rx, rho x is equal to rho E over here, okay. And then what is the gravitational field in the surface of the planet? What is the gravitational field in that surface of the planet? G you want to find. We know that G is equal to capital GM divided by R square. So what we will do, we will substitute this G into, if it is Gx over here, I will write G into Mx divided by Rx square, which I can write this as G into, what is Mx over here? Mx is not known. Oh, then we need to find out in terms of density. So what we will do is, we will not write this expression. First we will do something else over here. We know that if M is the mass, mass can be written as volume into density. What is volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube multiplied by density. So let us substitute it, G into 4 by 3 pi r cube into density divided by this r square. I will written like this. I will write like this itself. This goes away. So thus now I will write 4g pi r rho divided by 3. Is there anything else I left? No. Okay. So I will combine these two together and I have r rho here. So what do I have now? Gx is equal to 4g pi divided by 3 into Rx into rho x. So which is equal to 4g pi divided by 3 multiplied by, what is Rx over here? 2 times Re, 2 times Re divided by rho x is nothing but rho e. So therefore, now this 2 I will take it outside and write this as 2 times 4g pi divided by 3 Re into rho e. Now you see 4g pi divided by 3 into Re into rho e. What is this? This is nothing but a g, which is Ge. If I put e here, I will replace all this by e only. So now this should now be equal to, how much? This should now be equal to 2 times g. So which is 2 times g? Answer is C over here. Okay. So it's the right answer.